Hey girls! I made this video especially for you because the comment section under my previous videos exploded with questions about base coats. When to apply it, what to put under it, when to remove the tacky layer, when not to, whether you need a primer, and why the heck your base keeps cracking. Today we're gonna break it all down step by step, and I'll spill the tea on what these shiny little bottles in my frame are all about. So first question, which base coat should I choose for thin and soft nails? If your nails are thin and nothing seems to last on them, don't go chasing some fancy $100 bottle. It might not even work for your nail type. Base coats should be chosen specifically for the nail type, not the brand. For thin soft nails, I use two favorites. First is Nail Epic's Light, a super flexible base that holds even in a thin layer. Second is FoFX Airbase, which contains fiber and is more focused on nail recovery. Second question, what should I apply under the base? Primer, bonder, or nothing at all? This one's the all-time champion of questions. Here's the deal, if your nails are healthy, you might be fine just degreasing them and slapping on the base. But if your nails are moist, especially if you have hyperhidrosis, so your nail plate and hands are constantly damp, or if your manicure just doesn't last well, then follow this simple step. Apply a dehydrator first to remove excess moisture, then apply ultrabond primer. Ultrabond works like double-sided tape. It helps the base coat adhere better to the nail plate. Don't mix up primer and dehydrator, girls. Dehydrator removes excess moisture. Ultrabond adds grip between the nail and the base coat. Question number 3, should you remove the tacky layer or not? If you're worried about material conflicts or just don't always know when to wipe it off and when to leave it, here's my advice. Just remove it every time, girls. No stress, no guesswork. We remove the tacky layer from the base coat to avoid any conflicts between materials. Especially important if you're doing alignment afterward. With gels, it's mandatory because the sticky layer is very pronounced there. Fourth question, what's up with those bottles in the frame? I've got a bunch, but I usually tell you exactly what products I'm using and why. If you spot a bottle that doesn't match what I'm talking about, it doesn't mean I used it. Sometimes I pour one product into another brand's bottle just because it's more convenient for me. Express Q&A round. Should I remove the sticky layer before applying gel? Yes, remove it from the base coat if you're planning to apply gel on top. Should I reapply base after filing? If you filed after alignment, nope, you're good. Do you have any favorite base coats? I always choose base coats according to nail type, so I don't have universal favorites. Thank you so much for your amazing comments. It genuinely warms my heart to see how passionate you are about nails and how keen you are to understand every detail. If you have any more questions about base coats or anything else, drop them in the comments below. The 5 most popular questions will be featured in the next video. If you see a comment that resonates with your own problem, just hit the like button. This way, I'll notice which questions have the most interest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and follow me on Instagram. See you very soon. Bye bye, beauties.